Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Google Fiber Webpass. First, Fiber Webpass is a wireless internet service made for people living in a big city apartment buildings or condos. It offers fast, symmetrical speeds of up to 1 Gbps for $70 a month, or slightly cheaper if paid yearly. Many users find the installation process smooth and quick. The pricing is also competitive, especially for the speed it offers, and having equal upload and download speeds makes it great for things like video calls and cloud backups. However, since it uses wireless point-to-point connections instead of traditional fiber, the performance can depend on building layout and weather, which may lead to inconsistent speeds. Some users have also reported issues like packet loss during activities like online gaming. Plus, it's only available in specific cities and buildings that support this setup. Overall, it's a solid choice for high-speed internet if it's available in your area, but the wireless setup does come with some trade-offs. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.